Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and your KSC bidding consultant. So I'm here in this facility. We did the deep kitchen clean, right? So piece by piece, he's trying to open up this facility. So now, and just so you guys know, like, we do a little more than just cleaning. Like, we are to help be the client's solution. So here in this facility, um, there are toilets, right? They haven't been used in years. So plumbers come in here and say they need new toilets. They don't need new toilets. They just need them clean. Like, I'm looking around now to see how many bathrooms I have to clean. I started some. So I'm going to take y'all with find the rest of the bathrooms. Because I have to do all of them in this place. Okay. I did this one. Okay, so I did this one. Let me find the ones I didn't do. Okay, I did that one. I don't even know how many of them it is. Okay, I know I didn't do this one. And just to give you an idea how the toilets look. That's not even one of the bad ones. Now this, gotta clean out this. Let's see, I gotta kind of leave a landmark so I know where I've been. Let's see, and I gotta check in these little offices and stuff because there's bathrooms. Okay, see, here's a bathroom right here. Turn on the light. See, I want the bathrooms clean. So here's one. Yes, I have to walk this whole building and sign all the toilets. Alright. I don't know where. Okay, that's where I started. Okay, let's go this way. So here's where they did the kitchen. Okay, here's the kitchen. They did a great job. Alright, let me find these bathrooms. Yeah, so what I was saying is, now the plumbers want to charge them for new toilets. And they don't need new toilets. They just need them clean. Alright, I didn't go back here. Let's look back here. Alright, here's the bathroom. Okay, look at that toilet. Alright, turn on the light so I can see. Now here's another bathroom. Now this is the toilet we tested so I could let him know that they come clean. Let's see. Another bathroom. The toilet. Alright. So I think that was 3 I found so far. Okay, here's one. These toilets. Now they want to have them get new toilets because of that. Now we know. Wait a minute. No, I was here already. This place is big. Alright, go this way. Okay, I turned on the light so I know where I gotta come. So I've been in there. This place is huge. Okay, here go another bathroom. Let's see this toilet. Okay, sinks. I gotta make sure I find my way back to these toilets. All right, here go another bathroom. Look at the bugs everywhere. Here go this toilet. It's like a nursing home or something. Okay, that's the same bathroom. Okay, so I came this way. Let's go this way. Go another bathroom. Here's that toilet. Sorry, I'm sniffing. Still morning, my nose is running. Okay, got another bathroom. You see how these rooms are set up? They like got little beds in them and stuff. Got this toilet. See, like a nursing home or something. And all these rooms got bathrooms. But here's one right here. And there's that toilet. Let me see. Oh, shoot. Once I came back here, there's a bathroom back here. Now this toilet don't have no water in it. Okay, so I got that toilet. A lot, y'all. It's a lot. Then I'll go back and count them. There's another one. And then, good thing it's just bugs and not critters, because if it was critters, I couldn't be in here by myself. Look at that toilet. Alright, so got another bathroom. Something's running. Okay, here's that toilet. Let's see this room. Yep. Got bathroom here. Here's that toilet. We don't have to do the showers, just the toilets and the sinks, and of course the floors. He's just trying to get an occupancy permit. Here's another bathroom. Look at this toilet. Got paper in it. No water in that toilet. Let's see if the sink got water. Yeah. Because at one point they had to turn the water off because everything was running. Got another bathroom. Another toilet. Yeah, I ain't even on the other side yet. So I turn on the lights so I don't miss none. All right, here's another toilet. That's how that look. Now, can you imagine, as a cleaning company, you guys know that we can do that, right? So imagine a plumber telling him he needs new toilets. That's crazy. Now, what's in here? I got the light on, so I was here already. Okay, let's go down here. That light's on. That light's on. All right, let's try the other side of the building. Let's go down here. Now that's where I'm at. So let's go. make sure I didn't miss nothing over here. This place is big, but it's not scary, thank God. Okay, let's go this way. Oh shoot, I got a hallway down here. Alright, here go another bathroom. There's the toilet. Yeah, I thought. Alright, got another one. Yeah, I didn't bring nobody with me because, like yesterday when I started, I had to fill up the toilet with water. It was just a big task that I think it needs my expertise. This toilet. Yeah, I didn't bring nobody with me. We got other stuff to do. I'm training on today for another bathroom. Good thing some of these bathrooms are, not this one. Good thing some of these bathrooms are like Jack and Jill, where they share the bathroom, because it's not one in every room. Okay, I got all these lights on, so I've been here. Okay, here's one. This toilet. It says staff. This is a bathroom. A toilet. Sink. I tell you, it's big. Okay, got another bathroom. That's the toilet. Look at all these bugs. Good thing I ain't scared of the bugs. Alright, now where I'm at. Okay, here go another bathroom. Here's that toilet. Sink. Yeah, I got a lot of them to do. I'm seeing lights on, so telling me that I done been everywhere. Alright, so here's where I left off. Wait, where am I? Oh, this way. No, this way. So, this is the start of what I'm doing for the day. I told you guys we got a lot of work. So, and there's no specific day that I'm off, because I'm not off. Okay, this door's shut. What's this? It's locked on that side. Let me see. Okay, here's where I left off. Here's all my cleaning stuff. And here's where I'm starting. This is locked. Alright, so. Alright, let me get to work. I'll let y'all see the end result. Talk to you later.